It's Monday evening here. You can see the storms are coming through St. Paul, Minnesota. It's hard for you to see the rain. Oops. I saw thunder. I saw lightning and thunder. I'm gonna go back in. It's raining like crazy. See the lightning? That scares me. Alright, what are you doing Monday evening? You're getting storms here, just starting. Give us a like, support the work. Why not? Subscribe. You can leave a comment, ask questions, but be kind. Be respectful. Don't spread hate. Spread love. I'll let you listen to the rainstorm. Peace out.